I want to share with you the amazing health benefits of baking soda. This simple household ingredient has been used for centuries and has a wide range of potential health benefits. So, let's dive in and explore why baking soda deserves a place in our health routines. One of the key health benefits of baking soda is its potential to alleviate heartburn and indigestion. When mixed with water, baking soda can act as an antacid and help neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from discomfort. However, it's important to use it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional if you have chronic digestive issues. Baking soda can also be a valuable addition to your dental care routine. It possesses natural whitening properties and can help remove surface stains on teeth. By gently brushing your teeth with a paste made of baking soda and water, you may achieve a brighter smile. But remember, moderation is key to avoid potential enamel damage, and consult your dentist for personalized advice. Did you know that baking soda can also be used as a natural remedy for foot odor and fungal infections? Adding baking soda to a foot bath can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria and fungi, providing a refreshing and deodorizing effect. Soak your feet in warm water with a sprinkle of baking soda for a soothing and revitalizing experience. Minor skin irritations and insect bites can be quite bothersome, but baking soda may come to the rescue. Mixing baking soda with water to form a paste and applying it to the affected area can help relieve itching and soothe irritated skin. Just remember to clean the area thoroughly before applying the paste. In the world of fitness, baking soda has gained attention for its potential to enhance athletic performance. Some studies suggest that consuming baking soda before intense exercise can help delay fatigue and improve performance. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it as a supplement, as individual needs may vary. And there you have it, the remarkable health benefits of baking soda. From alleviating heartburn to improving foot odor, it's clear that this humble ingredient offers more than meets the eye. However, it's crucial to use baking soda responsibly and in moderation, as excessive use may have side effects.